the regular testing machine, which is called the friction machine, friction test machine, that will test the different kinds of oils in the market. This is the normal way of testing it. We would like to show that we have here the conventional motor oils. We will use them. This is what you're using in your car. And we will now show how much it can protect your car. And then we will also show with our oil, the Filipino invention, we can now come up with a better, less friction engine.
We have to test this kind of conventional. This is from the conventional engine oil.
Here we have the ampere needle showing that there is a resistance because it has no oil. We have now a metal-to-metal contact. Now we put the conventional oil. It is a lubricant. It is supposed to lubricate. But it's still stopping. The same result. So is it really lubricating? That means both metal are not protected properly. So here we add our metal protectant oil, just a very, very small amount. Now you see, with the PSI on the torque wrench,
Still rotating.
still rotating. Now this is simulating that the engine ran out of oil. After treatment already of this metal protectant, we will see, we remove the oil. Now we will see if the engine will be affected. As you note, in the friction test, in the torque wrench, it's still moving. This is now on 200 psi. Now, we would like to subject it to extreme test. We will actually put it on fire. Under this condition, it still has protected the metals that are turning. Now, we will put it to a different kind of test.
Okay.
Supposing water has entered your engine. As you know, the water is not mixing much with the oil, but the adherence of water lube to the metal is still there. The torque wrench is still on 200 psi. That completes now the test we gave to a very conventional oil and putting our oil in addition just to coat the metal. We noticed and we observed that water did not affect it, fire did not affect it, losing oil did not affect it. In other words, the adherence to metal is perfect. Now we will go to an actual demonstration on how it is with your engines. This is a Kia Pride car that we have selected to perform in its engine what this oil can do. As we can see now, the radiator is full of water. We would like to show that at this point, first we have to drain the water of this radiator. We will now drain the oil.
Zero oil and water. Adap pa kaya to? Tatagyan ko ngayon. Pero walang langis yan. Ano?
Oo.
Lalagyan ko lang ito.
So,
Pero
at this-
huwag niyong kukunan. Ito lang. Okay, wala na nila. Andar.
Now this oil is running without oil and water.
Yung minute ko, tumatakbo yung oras. Pero buhaw yung isang niya. Almost zero. Almost zero.
So we just have finished our friction test and our engine demo of what the oil can do and what it is capable of. These are just a few of what Wonderloop can be put so that layman like you and I can understand this without the engineering terms. Please test this oil. Subject it to lab test, subject it to all kinds of tests to satisfy even your own curiosity. Thank you.